Hi, welcome back. I want to share this collaboration I'm doing with 8 or 9 other talented artists. It's a secret gadget collaboration, and you receive a gadget, and then you're with no instructions, and you're supposed to create with it. So I got this amazing package from Ayala Art, and I got a little bit overwhelmed because I was like, what is actually the gadget? So, in talking with her, she said, these are the gadgets. So, these are some Tim Holtz gears. So, the idea is there's no direction, and you're supposed to do what you'd like with these gadgets. So, I'm going to set all of this aside, and I am going to begin my exploration with the gadgets. I'll see you soon. So, what I decided to do was to take my hidden gadget, those Tim Holtz gears, and use some Distress Oxide sprays. And I used them as sort of a stencil and like a stamp. And as you guys know, I have tons and tons and tons of old book pages. And I think those all came from an old Reader's Digest, which for me, the pages are so brittle, they're not good for much else. Then I decided to use the gears as like a marking tool. So I stuck a pen inside and then rolled it in some gesso to make some marks. Now I've decided I'm going to make some ATCs out of the backgrounds, and so I'm using playing cards and gluing the paper, all the pages that I made with the gadget on the back of some playing cards. Now, not all playing cards are created equally, so if you're going to use playing cards as ATCs, and you want them to be accurate, they need to be 2.5 by 3.5. But I'm not too worried about it. So now I'm going back and I'm just stamping using those Tim Holtz gears as a stamp and adding more. And now I'm looking through. Ayala was so sweet. She sent me some Jane Davenport washi tape pieces, and they're really beautiful. So I was trying to decide like if I'm going to use them all, which ones I'm going to use. Now I'm going back and using the gear as a marking tool and using some more of this Jane Davenport washi tape and some gesso. And that's just a kitchen spatula I got at Ross. Little silicone tiny kitchen spatula. I think they're like 3 for $5 or something, maybe even less. Using some more Jane Davenport washi tape, using my gesso and my little kitchen spatula and going for it. I really enjoy doing these collaborations. It's really fun to see what everybody else does, and to see what you come up with and how you work. So I'm just adding some texture around the edges. Now she gave me this really cool architectures thing from Seven Gypsies, and they're just all these little stamps and pages, and so I'm spelling out, using the little stickers to spell out some words. And then I don't like it because I can't see it. You know me, I gotta do things over and over and over again. So I just took all the letters off. Now I'm trying to wait for it to dry and adding the letters back on. So now you see, what you don't see is that I just went through some of the words that I have, and I'm just spelling out different things that I thought were interesting. I did go back and cut out a piece from the Seven Gypsies book and made the word wish. Now you're seeing a piece of tissue paper that I stamped with a stamp that my friend Sherry sent me. And I think the stamp is from Stampendous. If you really want to know, leave me a comment in the description box. I'm just doing some marking with a little watercolor marker. I really enjoyed using these Tim Holtz gears. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank all the ladies that are involved. And if you go to the description box below and click on the next video, like and subscribe and comment. And let us know what you thought about this Gadget collaboration. I want to thank everyone involved. And as always, from my heart to your heart, I'm sending you so much aloha. Until next time.